This is an experiment of boiling water from room temperature in a special induction pan on an induction stove from scratch. Here's the stove, and we can turn it on by this, and we put it into high power mode, and the red light shows that it's an induction pan. That started at 30 seconds. You can see almost immediately bubbles forming at the bottom, where obviously the pan starts to heat up from the induction. Or 30 seconds from the start, and I put a large amount of water in there. It's probably a quart. So we're coming up on about 1 minute. You can see that it's about to boil. In fact, it's starting to boil at 1 minute. And you can see the boiling. It's a roiling boil, about 1:45. I just moved it to medium heat, and almost immediately it goes back. But you have some very hot water. It took no more than 1.5 minutes, about 1:45, and now you can control it at different heat levels.